Creativity and effort is the tool required to consistently entice your eating audience with your meal through impressive cooking. You don't bore your eaters with the stagnated taste of a meal all the time. Come on, be creative, tactical, get sweeter with your meal. And prior to that, we will be making a delicious beans with a simple ingredient recipe you may know, but a diverse cooking method you may not know. It is called garnished porridge potato beans. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com. And we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. The recipe is a simple one, but the difference is in the cooking method. Here you find 5 medium-sized sweet potato, which we'll be using with some crayfish of about 3 tablespoons when grounded. Some of this Scotch bonnet pepper will be used, and our oil, and in this case we're using red oil. Our 4 cups of beans are Maggi, our curry, which are 1 tablespoon each, a tablespoon of Cameroon pepper, and 2 medium-sized already chopped onion ball. We'll be using some groundnut oil also in addition to the palm oil. And we have our scent leaf, which we'll be using to garnish and to add some cool flavor to our garnished potato beans. Having known all these ingredients, let's get cooking. Begin by adding some hot water into your beans after sauteing and removing all the stones and extraneous material. Now, if you've been following my recipes and videos, you will know that I strongly recommend soaking your beans with hot water than boiling and throwing out the water. Thermal exposure or cooking of beans exposes the starch content of the beans into what is called hydrolysis, which is the breaking down of the complex molecule into simple ones, and those simple ones are nutrients we need in our body, and so throwing them out after cooking is strongly not advisable because you are eating to obtain those nutrients. And again, I've also heard some people complain that not throwing out the water after boiling gives them a heartache. Well, my answer to that is, have you tried this method? Because the components that causes the heartache or burn could be the anti-nutritional factors which are inherent in the beans, or the chemicals that was used for preservation and storage. And all these extraneous material aforementioned are all soluble in water. So try this hot soaking method first. Obey before complain. Gotta go. So after 10 to 20 minutes of soaking the beans, strain out the beans from a dirty water. Discard the dirty water and add another fresh water to your beans. Set it at medium heat and begin to cook under a closed lid. And to the other side, peel off the sweet potatoes gently, like someone that knows the road to the farm. Little patience is required to do this effectively because you may encounter some friction along the way. Simply cut into smaller size for faster donning, not too tiny and not too big. Then rinse them in a clean water, or better still, leave them soak in the water to avoid enzymic browning prior to use. Other preparations like the slicing of your fresh pepper into a clean bowl and the preparation of every other vegetables and ingredients follow suit. The cleaning and the slicing of the onion, as well as the preparation of the scent leaf, follows. And for the scent leaf, you will need to pluck out the leaves from the stem into a bowl. Clean wash properly You can even add some salt if it is from the market, but this is from my own garden. So after the clean washing, simply transfer to your board and begin to slice into tiny particles, just like so. And when you're done, you can move them into a clean bowl and set aside prior to when we're gonna need them. And our beans has been cooking for over 50 minutes to an hour now. Let's do some tenderization test to know how soft it is. And you can see it is completely soft, and that is how I want it. It is time to add your potatoes and cook them more. And while that is cooking, let's make our garnishing sauce for the potato beans. Set your oil at medium heat and bring to a smoking temperature, but please do not blanch, cause we still need the reddishness of the oil for garnishing. Stir fry the onion to a caramelization level, that is, until the onion turns brown. This helps to release some natural aromas of the onion into the hot oil. And once that is observed, go ahead and add your Scotch bonnet pepper. And in case you don't want your food this spicy, this is where you begin to use stuff like your bell pepper, your chili pepper, but please make sure you remove the seed, or you can use tomato paste or even a fresh tomato to do this. And while that is frying, we simply come over to our boiling potato beans and to check how it's doing. It's getting soft but not soft enough. Then come back to our oil and add some seasoning cubes, which will enhance the taste of the sauce. Some little salt to taste depending on your salt consumption level. Some of the crayfish as well will be added. And once you're done with the frying process of the sauce, you can add some water to form emulsion and to stop the frying process. And to the potato, you can check how soft it is by using your knife to cut in between the potato. As you can see, it's very soft, like so soft. And I don't need to tell you that the beans is more than soft, if there's any word like that. So once that happens, you begin to add your ingredients. Your onion. Onion helps to promote the taste and flavor of the beans. I love onion a lot. And I'll be adding my vegetable oil, which will help the taste of the beans. Your Cameroon pepper goes in alongside with your curry powder, and finally your crayfish. So all these together combined will give you a very palatable beans taste. And we've not even talked about the garnishing aspect. Ouch! And once you're done mixing, add your seasoning cube and salt if necessary. But if not, please skip it and add your vegetable. And at this point, you discover that the beans is almost ready. You can literally eat it just like this. But please don't add your vegetable. And I mean the scent leaf. The scent leaf will add additional scent, as the name implies, and flavor to the beans. Mix them to combine, and I tell you, the beans is ready and good to go. Just look at this, friends. Looking yummy and nice. It's time to serve. Dish some portion into your plate. And as a guy, you know I'll be needing some more. Scoop your garnishing sauce into the beans, just like this. Oh my goodness, what is this? Garnished porridge potato beans. It didn't end at the appearance alone. The taste is something great and something nice. Please subscribe to our channel, and by so doing you get to know whenever we upload new videos. Turn the notification bell and hit the like button as well. Visit us at salopesfoodblog.com, and thanks for watching. Bye.